In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share a link to a meeting on your Google Docs spreadsheet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the icon over here versus share a link to add others versus this video call only. You can select that just to copy the link, or you can select this file and video call if you want to allow other people to also edit it as well from this link. So just go ahead and select whatever item you want. And now that it has been copied to your clipboard, and you can go ahead and send it in an email or a chat, and then they should be able to access the video call. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.